Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tutorials. In this video, I am going to tell you what are the different relational and comparison operators in SQL with the help of some examples. In this video, we will see the relational operators like equal, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and not equal to operators. Before going to the actual implementation, please subscribe my channel, share the video, like the video. So we directly move to the actual implementation part. In our last video, we have discussed about the different types of DDL and DML commands. We have created a one database, name is Rohit_tutorials. In that, one table is available, name is student. We are using the same table for relational operators. Firstly, we will run the MySQL server with the help of command mysql -h localhost root. So instead of MySQL, MariaDB is available. No any problem. Some of the students may have the MySQL here. So if you are using the Ubuntu, so how to run or how to start the MySQL? The command is given in the description box. With the help of DDL and DML command, we perform a different operation on the student table. So how to create the student table, how to perform or how to apply the different DDL and DML command. The video link for applying the DDL and DML command on the student table that is given in the description box. Please check it. Now we are working on the already available student table. How our student table is look like? What are the different types of attribute and the data is available in the student table? For that we require the select command. But before going to the select command, first choose which database you are using. So use Rohit tutorials semicolon database change. Select star from student semicolon. So this is our table. It contains the attribute roll number, name, age, subject 1, subject 2, and the 5 tuples are available. So roll number 1 having the name is Rohit, age 22, subject 54, subject 2 55 marks. Roll number 2 Akash, 23 age, subject 1 60 marks, subject 2 30 marks. Likewise, roll number 5 name is Mahesh, age is 24, subject 1 having the 59 marks and subject 2 is having the 40 marks. Now we apply the different types of relational operator on this table. First is equal to operator, second is greater than, third is less than, fourth is greater than equal to, fifth is less than equal to, and sixth is not equal to operator that we are applying on this table. So first equal operator. Command is select star from student. Student is our table name. Where roll number is r_no equal to suppose to semicolon enter. So we have retrieved the information of roll number 2. Same command but with the help of suppose age. Select star from student where age equal to 21 semicolon. 21 age is for roll number 4. Name is Dhanu, age is 21, first subject mark 45, second subject mark 45. Okay, that's it. First equal to operator completed. This is our actual table consisting of 5 tuple. Second, greater than. Select star from student. Star is nothing but each and every information from the table for the given condition. Select star from student where age is suppose greater than 23 semicolon. So greater than 23 consisting of this 22 not greater than 23. This is also not greater than 23. Preeti 28. Age is greater than 23. Dhanu not greater than 21. Mahesh is also greater than 23. Enter. So 2 tuples are retrieved from the table. Preeti and Mahesh. Age is 28 and age is 24. So this is the greater than operator. Now less than operator. So same table consisting of 5 tuple where age is less than 23. Enter. Rohit having a age is 22 which is less than 23. Dhanu having age is 21 which is less than 23. This is our actual table. Now greater than equal to. The command is suppose its age is greater than equal to 23. Suppose age is greater than equal to 23 semicolon. Enter. Yes, previously it was greater than 23 only. Now it is greater than equal to. So 23 is greater than equal to 23. So that's why 3 tuples are retrieved from the table. Now less than 23. Age is less than equal to 23 semicolon. So 3 records from the table is retrieved. Rohit, Akash and Dhanu. Now not equal to operator. So firstly, this is our actual table. The command for not equal to operator, select star from student where clause age not equal to 23. Only one record is available with age 23. So by excluding that record, all the information is retrieved because each and every age is not equal to 23. 23 record for the Akash, age is 23. So our query is age not equal to 23. So that's why this record is not retrieved from the table. Only roll number 1, roll number 3, roll number 4 and 5 records are retrieved from the table. So this is about relational or comparison operator in the SQL. So if you like the video, please share it and not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.